Dear learners, I extend a warm welcome to you as your instructor at Jactile. I am Mrs. Vinitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Application, Jayaraj Annapakim College for Women, Autonomous, Perikulam. Our mission is to provide you with a world-class learning experience that not only equips you with knowledge and skills, but also inspires your personal and professional growth. As your instructor, I will support and guide you throughout your learning journey. I am very interested to instruct about report writing in professional communication. Before instruct about report writing, I would like to tell about what is the meaning of communication. Communication, English word, is derived from Latin word communis, which means common sense. Communication is the process of exchanging information, or ideas, or thoughts, or opinions, or feelings, or emotions between individuals and organizations using various methods or mediums. Professional communication is the process of exchanging information, or ideas, or thoughts, or opinions between individuals within a workplace or professional context. Communication is the essence of the management. The basic functions of management are planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and coordinating cannot be done effectively without effective communication. I hope you understood what is the meaning of professional communication. Let's move on. Types of communication. Types of communication is a fundamental aspect of human interaction and can take various forms depending on the medium, purpose, and context. There are two types of communication. First one is verbal communication. Verbal communication refers to the exchange of information between individuals or groups using spoken words or oral language. It is one of the most common and essential forms of communication used by humans to convey messages and interact with others. Verbal communication can take place in various forms, including face-to-face conversations, telephone conversations, video calls, group discussions and meetings, radio and broadcasting, voice messages, and voicemail. Let's see types of verbal communication. Oral communication is the first type of verbal communication. And another one type of verbal communication is written communication. Written communication is the process of conveying information, thoughts, ideas, or messages through written words. It is a fundamental communication that uses written language as the primary means of expressing and sharing information. Written communication is widely used in various contexts, including business, education, government, literature, and personal communication. It can take many forms such as letters, emails, reports, memos, articles, books, text messages, and more. So report writing is a form of written communication. Here, let me explain about report writing. A report in business communication is a formal document that presents factual information, data, analysis, and findings related to specific business activities, projects, or situations. These reports are typically prepared for various purposes within organizations, government agencies, academic institutions, and other professional settings. The primary goal of report writing is to provide clear, concise, and well-organized information to help decision makers, stakeholders, or interested parties make informed decisions or take appropriate actions. Now, I wish to share about characteristics of report writing. There are 11 characteristics of effective report writing. First one is precision. The report writer is very clear about the exact and definite purpose of writing the report. His investigation, analysis, recommendations, and others are directed by the central purpose. Precision of a report provides a unity to the report and makes it a valuable document for best usage. Second one is simplicity. Simplicity is the best for anything. It is just another essential feature of a good report. A good report is written in simple language, avoiding vague and unclear words. The language of the report should not be influenced by the writer's emotional or goal. The message of a good report should be self-explanatory. A good report should be careful of using simple sentences instead of using a complex sentence in a narration of facts. Another characteristic is clarity. Clarity depends on proper arrangements of facts. A good report is absolutely clear. Reporter should make his purpose clear, define his resources, state his findings, and finally make necessary recommendations. To be an effective communication through report, a report must be clear to understand for making communication success. Fourth one is accuracy. Information contained in a report must be based on accurate facts. Since decisions are taken based on report information, any inaccurate information or statistics will lead to a wrong decision. It will hamper to ensure the achievement of the organizational goal. Fifth one is relevant. The facts presented in a report should not be only accurate, but also be relevant. Irrelevant data makes a report confusing and likely to be misleading to make a proper decision. Next characteristics is reader-oriented. Reader's knowledge and level of understanding should be considered by the writer of the report. Well, reader-oriented information qualifies a report to be a good one. While drafting any report, it is necessary to keep in mind about the person who is going to read it. Rather, it means that a good report or business report, it is one that transmits maximum information with minimum words. It avoids unnecessary details and includes everything which are significant and necessary to present proper information. Another one characteristics of report writing is grammatical accuracy. Good report is free from errors. Any faulty construction of a sentence may make its meaning different to the reader's mind, and sometimes it may become confusing. If a report is not accurate grammatically, then it will lose its usefulness to its users. So, while writing a reporter should keep in head about the grammatical accuracy of his writing. Next characteristics of report writing is unbiased recommendation. Recommendation and report usually make effect on the reader mind. So, if recommendations are made at the end of a report, they must be impartial and objective. They should come as a logical conclusion for investigation and analysis. A reporter should try to use a universal and proven truth in his report rather than using the concept which is not yet established or completed. Next characteristics is complete information. A good report shows important information. Most of these information are analyzed as the basis of importance. A good reporter has to show the skill in such cases efficiently. A good report should show information as importance and not much so that the report become useless. But it should give the reader a completeness feeling. And last and final characteristics of report writing is summary. A good report should have a summary by which the reader of the report can take a decision at all or stand on a decision what to do next in such condition. A summary can reflect the whole picture at a glance, so it has a large impact. So writing a summary is an important feature of a good report. A good reporter should not forget this. This inclusion of above factors, features, or characteristics make a good report to be effective and fruitful. It also helps to achieve the report goal. A reporter who is making the report always should be careful about those factors to make his report a good one. These are the characteristics of characteristics of good report. Dear learners, I hope this video will be useful to learn about communication. We will meet in next video. Thank you.